Hi, and welcome to the Highline Residential Training Series. In this video, you will learn how to use the Marketing Center to create a branded holiday message and send the holiday message to clients you have done a deal with. To access the Marketing Center, start by clicking the Productivity tab on the left menu bar and click on the Marketing Center page. Use the filters to find all the holiday message templates that are available. Once you've found a template you like, click the Use button on that template. Give your project a name and click the Generate Project button. In the Marketing Center editor, you have the ability to customize this template. Once you have customized the template, click on the Save button, and now click the Back button to take you back to the Marketing Center page. You can now use this project you have created to send an email to a lead list. Let's create a lead list with all of our prior clients that we have ever done a deal with. Start by creating a lead list on the Lead Lists page. To create a lead list, click the gear on the upper right corner and click Add New Lead List. Once you've created a lead list, go to the My Leads page. Select all the clients that you've ever done a deal with in the past. You can also use the filters to quickly find the clients you've done deals with in the past. And click the gear on the upper right corner and click the Add to Lead List option. Add all these leads to the lead list you just created. Now navigate back to the Marketing Center. Click the gear on your holiday project and click the Email to Lead List option. Give your email a subject. Choose the lead list you would like to send this email to, and click the Send button to send this holiday message to the lead list you just created.